It's time to create another API which will be for shopping cart. So let me close all the tabs that we have open and minimize everything. We'll keep the product API open because we'll be copying few things from there. Inside the services, we will right click, add a new project, and we will be selecting the ASP.NET Core Web API. Let's select next here. Name of the project, I will call this mango.services. This will be the shopping cart API. With that, let's hit the next button and create that. Looks good. First thing that we should configure is the connection string. So let's copy the connection string from product API. Copy this, go back and paste it inside the app settings for shopping cart. We will change the name here to Mango Shopping Cart API. Looks good. Let me save that. So with that, we have created our API project. Now in the next video, the first thing that we have to do is we need to add all the packages that we added in product API, because functionality wise they will be similar. It's just they will be performing operations for shopping cart as compared to products in product API. So let's do that in the next video.